Good day and welcome back to the channel. Now, we're back on the Hummer again. As you can see behind me, I got the primer all done. I just sanded it down, wiped it down with paint thinner. I'm waiting for it to dry, and then we're going to start slapping some yellow on it. So what I did to get the paint for this thing is I went down to, that's not it, this is it. I went down to a local automotive store down where I live in Leamington, and what he did was he took the paint coat from the vehicle, mixed it up, and put it in an aerosol can for me. Because where I'm set up right now, I don't have the ability to use a paint gun, and I wasn't really planning on using a paint gun for this. It's a lot more expensive for me to buy the paint that way. For the little bit I need to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to start at the back side on the passenger side door and work our way forward. Get this all shaken up real nice, and we're going to go from there. I got to find a place to set you guys up so you can see how this is going to go. We'll do a little bit on camera, and then I'm probably going to want to do the rest off camera, only because it'll be faster than me checking the camera all the time. So, now I'm not a professional painter by any means at all. So we're just gonna give this a go. Nice even light coats should do the trick. And as you can see, sprayed the yellow, top and bottom of the doors. Now I gotta do the hood, both sides, and the other side. We'll catch you back when I have a couple coats on it, and we'll see what happens with that. Stay tuned. I'll be with you in a second. Alright, so we're back. I just went through one basically $35 can of yellow paint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the flashlight on my phone, and we're going to take a quick look at the coverage. There's the top of the door, there's the bottom of the door, and there's the front door handle. We'll move over to the hood. We'll move over to the other side. Take a quick look. I'm thinking it's looking pretty damn good. I do have another can though. I do plan on going over it again. Another coat or so. I'll let this dry. Cure up for a few more minutes. I'll open up the other can. Drop some paint on it. Drop some more. So as for me getting the paint coat for this Hummer, it was a bit of a challenge because it's already been painted fully once before. Couple years ago, and the previous people that painted it took the paint coat off, so I had to call the dealership, get them the VIN number, the year it was made, the model, spec it out basically so they could get the paint code for it. But as I was looking it up, there was only one yellow paint coat for the year of this Hummer, and that's what was on it. So, needless to say, I went through the runaround to get the paint code. I'm thinking it looks pretty good. I know there's a mark in this on the passenger side of the hood I got to get out. I didn't get the coverage right. But other than that, I'm thinking this is going to go pretty good. I was told it's the hardest color to spot match, and I'm doing such big areas of it. But it is what it is. It's a learning curve. It's a process. I want to do some paint matching on my truck, so this is a good stepping stone for me to get the ability to do it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch up with you. I'm going to let this cure for a couple of days, and we're going to throw some clear coat on it. And we're going to see how it looks from there. I'm going to have to fully clean this vehicle. So then I got to get a buffer and a polisher so I can get the clear coat to match the rest of the Hummer. That in itself is going to be a process, especially cleaning this thing is going to be a process. There's all these concaves in the hood, all this debris that just sits in there, that crap. This thing hasn't had a serious wash or buff and polish, well, since I've known it. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned for future updates. We got some more stuff I got to do this. I still got to build a light rack for the roof. I got lights to put on it. I got to talk to the wife, see if she wants the door handles paint matched yellow or we're keeping them black, because she wants to get some stripes put on this thing. I don't know where she wants the stripes or what she wants to do, but stay tuned. And alright, so we're back at it again. I was going to wait for the furnace to kick off, but I don't got all day. So I came back. It's been a couple days. Let the paint cure and harden and do what it's got to do. Come to find out, my coverage wasn't quite 100%. It was very good, but there was a streak in both sides of the hood. So we'll go over that real quick. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up, but there's a streak here that I missed. Well, I didn't miss it. I just didn't get full coverage. And the same with the hood here on this side. This is in the same spot and up at the top though. And come to find out, I got all this done. I missed a spot all together that I got to wipe down. I sanded it. I just got to wipe it down, let it dry, and then I'm going to hit it with some primer. Yeah, so there's that. We're one step closer to getting this damn thing done. After this, I got to powder coat the rims. The rims are pretty shitty, so I'm going to have to find somebody that can blast those for me, because I don't have the ability to do that. They should fit in my oven. I don't want to have to pay somebody to powder coat them when I can powder coat my own. But we'll see what comes of that. And there we go. The furnace finally kicked off. So, alright, let's get into it. I'm going to start with the primer on the bottom. Little piece. Already been shaking up the can. Shake it up real good. Now, that should do for that spot. Not too worried about that. What I am worried about is the hood. So, what do I do with the cap? I gotta get the hood good. Have to. Can't mess that up. So, once this cures and dries, this is a brand new can. Paint code, everything. This color is flame yellow. It's an expensive paint, but this shit's got to be done, right? So we're going to get into it. We're going to get one side done, Well, can you see that alright? Hope so. Try not to stand in the way too much. And get one good coat on here. Whoa. That really sucks. See all the droplets? God, fuck my life. I'll catch back up with you. I gotta get this situated. Alright, so come to find out, I missed a few more spots. So we're going to get those sprayed. And we're going to go from there. It's just I'm going to go over the spots I did, and I'm not, yeah. You just get it. That should be good coverage on that one now. God damn racking. Alright, so we're going to wrap this video up. There's enough of me rambling on and going on and how much I missed and how unprofessional I am at doing this, and it's not my skilled trade. Sure got into it, I enjoy it, but that's life. I'm doing it now on my own, not getting paid for it. But if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, I do have some more stuff planned in the future. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell for any future content. Thanks for watching and have a great evening. I'm out.